How do you do it?
You take this. Oh, that's the little. Try this. Take a string. You fold it like this. You take the tide and put it through. You take the loose ends, you pull them through, and then you pull them. I'll try to color black. I'm trying to color black. You twist it and you push it through, and you push the yarn through. Then you take some yarn and tie it. No. Get it! Now you just made me draw myself again. Then you take some paper and you put it in there. You stick it right in there. Then, now that you've tied it, you take some scissors and give it a little haircut. Oh, that's where that came out. Now you take another piece of string and you tie it around so you can hang it on your Christmas tree.